Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wa sallim. Well, here we are at the end of August, and it's back to school time. For children all over the world, whether you are in younger grades or university, this is the time when most people go back to school. So I thought it would be important for us to remember a few things as we do that. It's the beauty of our religion that whatever we do, if we make our niyyah one where we are focusing and spreading and acknowledging the word of our deen and our religion, then even the smallest acts become an ibadah. So if you're making a niyyah to learn, to stand out in your grade or your curriculum, then make the niyyah to do that so that you can become a better Muslim, somebody who the rest of your school or your institution looks up to, so that wherever you are in the world, people will say, now that's a Muslim. That's what we need to work on to become the best version of ourselves, following in the light of the Seerah of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Assalamu alaikum.